As you can see here, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Big D is making his famous anti-inflammatory drink. If you are suffering from any joint pains, any pains about your body, congestion, cancer, diabetes, high blood pressure, it all boils down to inflammation in the body. So today I'll be making my turmeric, ginger, and black pepper formula for you to drink. Drink as much as you want. As you can see, I'm adding the ginger to my blender cup, and I will blend this all with some water. Add some water to it, and I'm going to cover it down and put it onto the blender to blend smoothly. Here it goes. I love it to blend long enough to make it nice and smooth. Just about putting it. Over here I have my pot of water already boiling, and I add the ginger mixture to the water. And now go back and I will blend all this turmeric as well. The turmeric is all ready to blend as well. Here it goes. Now we will add the turmeric now to the formula as well. Leave this mixture now to come to a boil before you turn it off, and allow it just to steep even more. I've made just about 5 liters of this powder. It is going to be very powerful indeed. As you can see, it's changing to a nice golden, deep yellow brownish color. When it is like that, you can turn it off and leave it to draw. When it gets a little cool, you can drink a big cup. Yes, the formula has come to a boil. Now we can turn it off, allow it to cool, and have a nice cup full before you go to work. Awesome, isn't it? All that power, all that richness, all that anti-inflammatory power there waiting for you to put into your body. So, to clean out your container, mine has turned deep orange yellow. Add a little bit of bleach to my cup. See what happens when bleach comes in contact with the turmeric formula. This is exactly what happens. I will cover it down. As you can see, my bottle is practically clear again. Try this formula yourself. You're sure to get amazing results, but you have to be consistently using it. Cheers. Have a great day.